Hello my friend, today I will tell you 5 the most important reasons why you should learn Java. In my humble opinion, the most important fact is that the Java is the most in demand and highest paying programming language. Why do I think so? Because there are indexes, like for example TIOBE, Programming Community Index, and as you can see it is an indicator of the popularity of programming languages. And as you can see, this index is calculated using the Google, Bing, Yahoo, Wikipedia, Amazon and other very popular services. And as you can see, Java is the most popular language, okay? So it's worth to learn it because it's gonna be easy to get a job. As you can see, we can check other websites like for example Indeed.com, and as you can see Java is also very high here. Okay, so why it's also worth to learn Java? Because it is gonna work everywhere on every platform. When you write a program in Windows, you can run the same program on, for example, Linux. Okay, so it's very cool thing, and there is lots of resources on the internet. Okay, as you can see, there are very cool resources with a full documentation of each classes. We'll talk about classes later. It is very cool because, well, Java is an old language, right? So you can find lots of useful information on in the internet. People will know how to help you, right, if you have any problems. And well, Android uses Java to create applications, right? Android is the most popular on the mobile devices, which means lots of jobs for Java programmers, and it also means lots of cash. And the last reason is that Java, I think, is easier to learn than other languages, like for example C or C++. Why? Because, well, you do not need to worry about things like pointers. All things like that are taken care by Java, okay? You don't need to worry about things like that, which are just hard to understand, at least for beginners. And well, you know, I'm gonna teach you the Java, so I'm sure that you're gonna learn it pretty easy because I have got a special method for teaching other people. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.